Hey there guys, what's up and welcome to Finance Ninja. It may sound too good to be true, but many people are utilizing the right strategies to earn as much as $217 per day in profit from YouTube without filming any videos. Re-uploading videos and making money from YouTube monetization is actually quite simple if you learn the right way to do it, that is. Here's a step-by-step guide on how you can copy and paste videos to earn $217 per day without making videos in 2022, so be sure to pay attention. The changing algorithm. Unlike any other business, YouTube constantly requires newer and better strategies that don't necessarily stay relevant, or rather, profitable for long. You might come across tons of tutorials on how to monetize your channel, and even those that teach you how to re-upload videos, but a massive majority of these tutorials are filled with old and outdated methods that no longer work. You see, YouTube's algorithm is constantly changing, and the platform is known for regularly updating its policies, which means that the ones benefiting from a new idea the most are those who try it first. You can go for a strategy that's worked for other monetized channels in the past, but it may or may not work for you. So, you'll need to adopt the latest algorithm that adds significant value to your channel. It will not only help your channel grow and monetize, but also stand out, which is crucial since we know how saturated YouTube is, especially in certain genres. The real meaning behind re-uploading. Before we get into the step-by-step guide involving re-uploads, let's understand the principle behind it. A common misconception among aspiring YouTubers is that you can't use YouTube clips from other channels, but the truth is, you actually can. You're allowed to take as many clips from YouTube channels as you wish, as long as you use the clips and credit the source, and as long as you use the videos fairly. That said, there are some other factors you need to keep in mind. If you simply download and re-upload videos with no extra effort or evident value, YouTube won't be monetizing your channel. This is because the content is reused and belongs to another content creator, so for it to have any value at all, it must contain something different. It must add some extra work to the videos you re-upload. YouTube has a library of videos that fall under the Creative Commons license, which lets you publish other people's content and earn money from it. If you find a video with the CC BY license, you can use and tailor it to your liking. By using the new 2022 method, you won't be wasting any of your time on any outdated strategies and start benefiting from methods that you can use to successfully sift through the noise. Choose a high-paying niche. When it comes to picking a YouTube niche, it's one of the most crucial decisions that directly affect how your channel will be run and how it grows in the future. A helpful tip for growing your channel's worth on the platform is to focus your videos on a specific niche to build a loyal fan base around. Some of the most common categories include motivational channels or tutorial channels where you can give tutorials for anything you're good at, such as makeup, cooking, or even coding tutorials. You can also start a gaming clip channel if that's your thing, or a channel offering useful content related to tech and product reviews. Travel channels are also quite a hit on YouTube, and so are vlogging channels, where YouTubers upload vlogs from their everyday life or a special event to entertain their viewers. All in all, the options on YouTube are endless, which can make picking the right niche quite a turbulent and confusing task. Start by narrowing down your options to the ones that you're most passionate about. By choosing a YouTube niche that resonates with you, you'll find it easier to create and upload content consistently. Your audience will feel your passion and enthusiasm, making your videos that much more compelling to watch and interact with. But passion isn't solely what your decision should rely on, because without sufficient knowledge on the topic, your channel will become stagnant. So hone in on your knowledge and use it to give your audience some extra value. Once you've chosen something you're passionate and knowledgeable about, the third factor to consider is demand. If you want to grow a YouTube channel that will become a real business and earn a reliable income over a long time, creating a channel solely around your hobbies or even knowledge can be a mistake. On the other hand, going for one of the most lucrative YouTube niches will allow you to maximize your revenue generation from the platform. So, alongside your passion and knowledge, consider niches that are profitable and are linked to the highest CPM numbers. The top ones in 2022 include cryptocurrency or trading and investing. Also among the highest paying niches is affiliate marketing, aka the king of earning from YouTube ads, with an average CPM that stands at $30 per 1,000 views, which is over 10 times higher than the average CPM on YouTube. Some other examples of profitable YouTube niches include dropshipping, personal finance, tech reviews, web development, and insurance. These earning categories are most likely to stick around for at least the next 3 years, which also means that your income and revenue would stay consistent. Making a clickable YouTube thumbnail. Once you've picked the right niche, you can move on to the next stage, which is creating an eye-catching but relevant thumbnail. This is one of the most crucial aspects of creating any kind of YouTube video, but particularly re-uploading, since it determines your CTR or click-through rate. Great thumbnails are the leading factor behind videos with a fantastic click-through rate of 45% or above, and they all rank in the top 3 spots on the YouTube search result page. The thumbnail is typically the first impression of your video and essentially determines whether or not people will click through. If it's good enough, it can significantly elevate the chances of viewers clicking on your videos, which will in turn generate more views, leading to faster monetization of your channel and improving your channel's brand as well. So how exactly can you make a great thumbnail? Start with using tools like Canva or Overapp to create impressive thumbnail templates, or pick pre-existing design ideas to grasp more attention. It's also important to keep some other tips in mind, like choosing a font that's particularly tall and bold, because such font styles help convey the words rich and powerful. Go for a fine contrast with bright background and suitable outlines. Also, try keeping your thumbnails consistent with the same style fonts, memorable colors, and a strong design, since it helps familiarize your audience with your brand and your content. Writing a click-worthy title. Creating a click-worthy title is as vital as your thumbnail, and for that, you must learn how to master your YouTube SEO. One of the simplest ways to do this is rewriting a similar title to the top 3 videos you come across. In other words, start with performing keyword research like you usually would, but think a bit differently based on what users are searching for on YouTube. Next, make sure you're using high-value keywords in your video title, description, and video tags. Once launched, you can check your YouTube traffic source YouTube search report to get an idea of what YouTube users are searching for when they find your hosted videos. You can also search for a more competitive keyword and then model the title from that search result to have a more click-worthy title than your competitors. How to make automatic voiceover for videos. For this step, there's a wide variety of text-to-speech software available, which allows you to choose natural-sounding speech from a library of over 100 voices in an array of languages and dialects. You can also actively test out the text-to-speech software and try various settings until you get something that sounds most lifelike and realistic. When looking for the best free text-to-speech software out there to help with automatic voiceover, go for top-rated and beginner-friendly options like Natural Reader, WordTalk, Balabolka, and Printer Basic. The last step involves uploading your YouTube video. Now that you have a suitable automatic voiceover, the only step left for you to do is importing the text-to-speech audio and adding it to your video. Make some final editing touches and review your re-uploaded content before uploading it on your YouTube channel. And that's all there's to it, guys. With this step-by-step guide, you can start making legitimate money and watch your channel grow simply through uploaded YouTube videos. If you found this video helpful, do be sure to like, comment, and subscribe with the notifications turned on so you can stay up to date with our latest uploads. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.